News that's coming in at the moment. YouTuber from Haryana has now been arrested for espionage. YouTuber Jyoti has been arrested because of espionage activities. This particular YouTuber used to project Pakistan in a positive light, had shared sensitive information related to India. Images that you are seeing on your screens are of the YouTuber Jyoti. She has now been arrested because she was indulging in espionage activities. She was projecting Pakistan in a positive light, had shared sensitive information related to India with Pakistan. Big news coming in from the state of Haryana now. In fact, the government was also keeping a very close eye on social media. Many accounts on the request of the Indian government were being blocked. Many accounts operating from India actually had started praising Pakistan and had started questioning the government over Operation Sindhu. And now, with regards to the larger investigation that was taking place, YouTuber Jyoti from Haryana has been arrested because she was indulging in espionage. She was sending sensitive information from India to Pakistani handlers. In fact, on her YouTube channel, she was also praising Pakistan. This is big news which is now coming in. In fact, the Ministry of Home Affairs, PMO and all the agencies were keeping a close eye, a close track on what was happening on social media. There was a fake narrative which was being built by Pakistan and was in fact also being peddled by various other YouTubers. All of them were connected. It was a group. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining me on the story. Kamaljeet, this is big news coming in. The government and the agencies were keeping a very close tab on social media. This YouTuber, from what we understand, has been arrested for espionage.
Well, sources indicate to us, and there is an FIR which suggests that Jyoti Malhotra, who was in contacts with persons of Pakistan intelligence officials, and what we've been told is that way back in 2023, they facilitated her move to Pakistan. She was closely working with them. This is also that she was also sponsored a trip perhaps to Bali is what is being indicated. And this is where sensitive information was passed on. Now, remember, this is somewhat of a reverse honey trap, because remember, honey trap is done with officials. But here it is about utilizing women, not only facilitating them to travel to Pakistan, but to also getting them to provide sensitive information. There is another woman, Ghazala, who's based out of Punjab in Malerkotla, a widow who was entrapped again by the same man, Ehsan-ur-Rahman alias Danish, who's working in Pakistan High Commission. He actually did tell her that he intended to marry her, passed on some sort of money and said she should actually pass it on to several sources. Now, this is something which is not allowed as far as international conventions are concerned, but clearly indicating that there were sources being built, especially in state of Punjab. So there were earlier 2 arrests which were done in Punjab, including Ghazala, and now what we know is at least 4 people have been arrested by Haryana police. Clearly, intelligence agencies have been on the radar, especially monitoring what the Pakistan High Commission officials have been doing, and they have been actually trying to get in, whether it's through YouTubers, through social media, trying to get in people who can, one, create positive environment as far as Pakistan is concerned, facilitating their trips, but also trying to get in sensitive information. So this is the primary thing, and the FIR also suggests that not only multiple trips were made, there were instances that one of the persons called Sharik, his number was saved as Jat Randhawa, one, to avoid any sort of being under the scanner. So that is where it does seem that it had been going on for quite some time before intelligence agencies managed to actually swoop down and obviously get to all these perpetrators, including Jyoti Malhotra. Now, it could have been an association in the beginning, but later on, thick friendship developed, and this is where sources indicate to us that sensitive information regarding India was passed on to these particular Pakistan intelligence officials, and thereafter action has now been taken, and we've been told that overall 6 persons have been arrested both in Haryana and Punjab.
Thank you, Kamaljeet, giving us those details. 6 people have now been arrested in Haryana and Punjab on charges of espionage. These YouTubers were giving sensitive information about India to Pakistani handlers.